This video I will tell you that how to save a chat on Snapchat or how you can save a specific message on a Snapchat. So first of all we will open up the Snapchat application here, and then we will just tap on the messages here, and I will open up this chat here which is the team Snapchat. Okay, so let's just play it until it's gets clear. Let me just open it up again here, and now okay, so let's suppose that if I want to send a message here, hi. Okay, I have sent a message here, hi. And let's suppose now that if I wanted to actually save any message here, so what I can do here is I can just tap and hold that specific message, and here you can say that save in chat. And if I go back now, and if I open it up now, you will see that saved message will be here. Okay, just a little minute. Okay, I don't know why you are not seeing this, but this is the way to actually do these things. Okay, let me just send a message here again, hi. So the message is sent, and now if I just okay, so here you can see that here it says that unsave in chat. So this message that is here is now saved in the chat. So that's how you can save like specific messages in the chat here. Okay, so guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.